Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this icon of a photo with a paper clip at the bottom right corner and click on Images filter at the top of Recent Files. You can also click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources to find your photos. Wherever you decided, after locating one, just hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!